In the last blog, I touched on loss of consortium damages on that case, which was tried in the federal court before a judge, not before a jury. It was tried under what's called the Federal Tort Claims Act, and it was tried as a result of the arguable negligence, and indeed the judge found negligence, against the service person who was in charge of a U.S. National Guard outing. I spoke about how the judge determined, or the amount that the judge determined that would be awarded for loss of consortium. But the judge, of course, made other determinations, and that was with respect to the injured 13-year-old, and how was he damaged with respect to future medical expenses, to loss of earning capacity, and to pain and suffering. And because we so often are involved in cases that are tried in the Superior Court in Massachusetts, and a jury gets what is called a special verdict form, all we see is a check mark and a number that is the damage award, if in fact the jury awards any damages. But here, because it was not a jury trial, the judge wrote out a 10 or 15-page fact-finding determination and explained not only why he thought there was negligence, but explained what the value of the loss of future medical expenses, the loss of earning capacity, and finally the pain and suffering. It's noted or was noteworthy to me that in the final page of the decision, the judge wrote very nicely that the injured boy is a, quote, bright young man who has faced a difficult setback in his life. And the judge went on to say that the life may not follow its original plan, but with the appropriate care and treatment, the boy should have a happy and fulfilling life. And then the judge went on to say that that is the purpose of the compensatory tort system. And the compensatory tort system is to award money to, if possible, make the person who is suing whole. Obviously, the person cannot be given their physical, cognitive abilities back, and will incur deficits and expenses and loss of earning capacity, very possibly. But it is, quote, the purpose of the compensatory tort system. And how the judge determined, or what factors the judge found significant on each of those three elements of damages, again, wages, loss of earning capacity, and pain and suffering, how the judge came to those determinations, what he found significant, will be the subject of the fifth and final blog on this case. Thank you.